we, in our towns and cities, do to reduce our input of microfibres in our oceans? As individuals, we can change the way in which we wash our clothes. Reducing the spin speeds, lowering the washing temperatures, and washing less regularly mean that less microfibres detach from our clothes and enter our water systems. Many people often own more clothes than they need. Buying less clothing or keeping older clothes for longer would decrease the amount of cloth waste produced. Being aware of what materials your clothes are made out of helps. Try to buy clothes made of natural fibres, as these degrade in the environment faster, so are much less harmful to our waters than microfibres. An effective way to help decrease the microfibre production is to spread awareness. Help spread the word on social media so that more people can become aware of this problem and what can be done to save our oceans.